Hola, I'm Spicy. For those who are new to this channel, welcome and bienvenido. For those who are not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. Hope you're all doing good. On this week's vlog, I have a little bit of everything packed in here for you. A small trip to Austin, a failed market, new products, thrifting. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, this first clip is going to be of me preparing a product. It was an order for a holographic Sailor Moon t-shirt transformation design that I have. And I like the way the holographic vinyl tends to change colors when it catches the sunlight. It's really nice for that. I love that. I've changed the design since then, but yeah, here's a closer look at it. The colors are really weird on this camera for whatever reason, but it's still nice. After this, we went to a Houston market that my brother invited me to, and for all intents and purposes, it should have been a good show. It was on a busy street. There should have been a lot of traffic, but for whatever reason, it was not marketed at all. And we did poorly. It was zero turnout, but I believe it was because of the lack of marketing, the inexperience in the vendors. At least it was free though, so no loss except for gas money. This is our little trip to Austin. We really enjoyed ourselves here. I had the best kale and green apple juice at this breakfast place called The First Watch. Food was good too, of course. Had fun at a video game tournament and hung out with friends afterwards at this karaoke spot with the best spicy kimchi ramen. It was so good. It was a short and sweet weekend, but amazing all the same. And I'll never forget it. Oh, and I started to teach myself how to crochet. Went to a little Houston-based like food festival that came out here for the first time this year. And these girls I found, they're absolutely amazing. Go check them out. Oh, this brings us to the spontaneous thrifting trip. I love thrifting. We decided to check out some local consignment shops in the hopes that we'd find some little treasures. I really enjoy the thrill of finding little vintage goodies, seeing unique items that inspire me to create like this, and participating in sustainable fashion from time to time. You know, why throw away when you can repurpose? Not all the time, of course, but it's nice to find little pieces here and there to add to the wardrobe. For example, that. My mom, my sister, and I decided to make it an official girls' day out and went to Houston and the Baytown area to check out their local consignment shops and thrift stores. Found some great summer clothes for me. Something that I wouldn't normally wear. Found loads of neat stuff, specifically this. I was so happy when I found this. This lady gave it to me for $2. I could not believe it. She's so nice, and originally had one of their items and she said she was just gonna end up throwing it away anyway. Woohoo! This was an amazing panaderia that we found in Houston. I had so much fun looking at everything. The smells were amazing. They had aguas frescas, they had cakes, they had anything you could think of when it comes to a bakery, and then or should I say specifically a Mexican bakery. Oh my god, the smells were so good. And this was late at night, mind you. It was around 10 at the end of our trip, like 10:30ish or something like that. I think it was very late. It was late towards the end of the night, and they were open and still baking fresh goods. It was crazy. But these ladies work so hard, and their work is so beautiful and so amazing and absolutely delicious. I can attest to that. And of course we stopped at Buc-ee's on the way home. Had to. It's huge. Here is me practicing with some of the branding that I was doing on my packaging. I've since concluded that maybe just the pepper is enough. because otherwise the weeding gets really hard with the vinyl. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.